Hey guys, Oscar from GoPrimate here, and in this video we're going to show one of the best bodyweight bicep exercises to build mass into your biceps. Now the exercise is called ring bicep curls, and you can use two different grips for this one. The first one is the supinated grip, which is going to be your palms facing up, and that's going to target solely just your biceps. And the other one is going to be the pronated one, which is going to have your palms facing down. It's still going to target your biceps, but it's also going to be more focused on the forearms. Now let's start straight into the videos. So as with most bodyweight exercises, the same is true for ring bicep curls. So you want to keep your hips extended with your core and glutes tight throughout the entire movement. Try to keep your elbows at the same level and not have them drop too much. And the easy cue to keep in mind here is to simply pull your hand to your shoulder. So you want to keep it as simple as possible and only move the lower arm. So everything else stays still. The only body part moving here is going to be the lower arm. And again, you want to emphasize on getting a squeeze at the top of the repetition. And a 1 to 2 second squeeze is pretty good, but you can do a longer or shorter if you like. Really try to get the squeeze in to get the most out of every single repetition. So again, keep your hips extended, your core and glutes tight. Keep your elbows at the same level and focus on simply pulling your hand to your shoulder. And really focus on getting in that squeeze at the end of the repetition to get the most out of every single repetition. And you can also perform this with a pronated grip, so your palms facing down. This is going to target more the forearms, but still the biceps as well. And the key technique points are still the same for this one as well. The difficulty can be adjusted by your positioning. By getting into a more horizontal position, you're going to make the exercise harder, and by getting into a more vertical position, you're going to make the exercise easier. So there you have it, guys. Now let's go through a quick recap of key points to keep in mind. Number 1, you want to keep your hips extended. Number 2, you want to keep your elbows at the same level and not let them drop too much. And number 3, you want to really emphasize on the squeeze at the top of the movement to get the most out of every single repetition. That's it for this video, guys. If you liked the video, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and happy training.